Requirements to lecture in any of the colleges of education in Ghana. Today we bring you updates on the various requirements to lecture in any of the public colleges of education. If you are appointed to lecture in any of the colleges of education, your major duties and responsibilities are teaching, setting and marking of assignment and examination questions, invigilation of examinations, supervision of students' projects, research and publications, assisting in the administration of the department, supervision of student internships, extension work or service to the college and the nation, and any other related duties assigned by the college principal or his or her representative. Here are the qualifications required to teach in the College of Education in Ghana. Any applicant must have a minimum of second degree and Masters of Philosophy degree (MPhil) in the areas of specialization, that is, in the subject area. There is a bit more preference for MPhil holders than those with other masters. The Masters of Philosophy is due to its research orientation. PhD is added advantage. Applicants must have an education studies background in the first degree. Appointment to the position of tutor are usually for a term of 5 years and may be renewed for a second term upon satisfactory performance. A tutor's appointment may be renewed up to a maximum of 3 terms. That is a total of 15 years, upon which the appointment may be terminated unless the applicant qualifies for promotion to a senior tutor position. But today, since the colleges of education are doing degree programs, PhDs are more targeted, or appointed tutors are encouraged to be able to meet a revised minimum requirement. But still, the MPhil is still admitted or recruited. For college principal, the main function of the college principal shall be as to serve as the academic and administrative head of the college. He or she shall be the chief disciplinary officer of the college. He or she shall be responsible for organizing and conducting the academic, financial, and administrative businesses of the college. For that, the qualification and experience must be have an advanced research degree. Applications with a PhD will be an added advantage, and have good character and a high degree of personal integrity, and must be a distinguished master teacher and scholar in teaching and learning. Be at a senior lecturer or principal tutor in a college of education or a comparable grade in a similar institution or organization. You must have in-depth knowledge of administrative, academic, and current issues in colleges of education. Applicants must also show evidence of the following skills: demonstrate capacity to manage the College of Education, show ability to foster and promote good internal and external relations of the college, have the ability to project effectively the image of the college locally and internationally, exhibit proven capacity to provide strong visionary leadership and innovation, not be more than 55 years old at the time of the application, that is the principal, display extensive knowledge and experience in tertiary education, and this will be an added advantage. You must have a strong innovative abilities in the development of human and physical resources of the college. Your tenure of office, the full-time appointment is mostly 4 years in the first instance and may be renewed for a further term of 4 years only after an outstanding performance on the job. This is Seekers News GH. We bring you updates on education, jobs, and salary issues. You kindly subscribe to this our channel and get more information